You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this medicine. For more confusing medical terms, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got tons, all of them, more pronunciations for you at the end of the video. 2 different pronunciations. The most common one in English, the one you can use safely, is as Etoricoxib. Oh, sorry, skipped a little bit. Etoricoxib. Etoricoxib. Etoricoxib, English pronunciation. Did you get this? Etoricoxib. Let's break it down. You got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.